say, let me thank the members of the committee for their indication of support for S611, the Grassroots and Small Community Water Systems Assistance Act. It reauthorizes the Safe Drinking Water Act's technical assistance and training provisions for the same $15 million per year that it was previously authorized. The last authorization expired in 2004. There's one small change. Specifically, under this new legislation, the EPA would have the authority to direct the funding to nonprofit organizations to also provide on-site assistance, regional training, and assistance with implementation, monitoring plans, rules, regulations, and water security enhancements to ensure compliance with the Safe Drinking Water Act. And of course, what this whole program is designed to do is to assist the small communities who would very much like to comply with Federal law with regard to safe drinking water, but simply don't have the resources for the technical assistance and training. So I thank Senator Heitkamp for introducing this bipartisan bill with me, and I thank the 17 co-sponsors, including 10 Republicans and 7 Democrats, for co-sponsoring the legislation, many of whom are on this committee. I urge a yes vote and believe we will get a yes vote on S611.